This video will show you how to generate with Grok Imagine for free. As you know, recently, Grok AI generations has been limited to paid users only with a price of $30 per month. But today, I'll be showing you how you can use same Grok AI Imagine generations for free. So this tutorial is something you shouldn't skip any part because I'll be teaching you step by step on how to generate with Grok Imagine for free. Also, remember to follow the steps I'll be providing for you for a successful generation.
So the app we are going to use to generate the Grok imaging for free is Gemini Gen AI. So look at the Gemini Gen AI. The good part is that you can also use it in your smartphones. There are no apps for now, but you can access it in your smartphones as well. So for now, I'm using laptop to teach you this. So the first thing we are going to do is that we are going to go on sign up. So inside here, you can sign up using your Gmail account or any other account that you have, okay? So now that we have signed up, you can see the interface have changed after you signed up. So over here now, what you need to do, you can notice right here, they gave us a free 10 credits, but don't worry, you are not using the credits. So just follow the steps I will show you now. This credit will not be removed at all. So just follow what I will show you today. So look at all the things that they have. They have video generation, imaging, and transload. So what we are using is video generation, okay? Now on the video generation, they have other models that you can still use for free. Like they have View 3 model, which is Google AI, and they have Grok model, and they have Meta AI model. So what we are going to use now is Grok. We have to choose our model is Grok. You can see already the Grok is already selected. You can see it over here, model Grok. You can see it's free. Let's look at it again if they have other ones.
Now let's generate text to video on laptop or PC. Then after, we'll move to our smartphone to generate image to video.
You can see it here, Grok is showing as free. So what you need to do here now is to drop in the prompt, the what you want to generate. And over here is the orientation. You want it in landscape, you want it in portrait, you want it in square, you choose. And here is the resolution, the standard, and the duration you want. Now pay attention. If you want to use this app for free, make sure you did not change this duration and you did not change the resolution. These two things must not change. If you change it to 10 seconds, they will charge you. That is the truth. So leave it in the 6 seconds if you want to completely use it for free without being paid build on it. So let's generate a movie and see how it comes out. So now I want to generate an action scene. Want to generate an action scene like this. So this is my prompt. I've dropped in my prompt what I want to create. Okay, and then I choose my resolution. I leave it in landscape. All right, so let's hit generate. Can notice I did not change the duration. I leave the duration in 6 and also leave the resolution in 480p. I did not change it. Can see it here now. Generation will cost 0 credits. Generate with Grok AI. You can see there you have, remember they gave you 10 generation. This 10 generation, you will not use it as long as you did not change this duration and you did not change the resolution. So let's hit generate. So before you go ahead, they'll ask you to verify that you are human. So just verify that you are human and your generation will start. You can see your generation over here is generating right here on the right side of it. But if you are using phone, the generation will come down. So you can see the video we generate is ready. You can see it over here. So let's play it and see.
What are you?
Someone you shouldn't have touched.
You see that the video generated in 6 seconds. You can see it is in 6 seconds. You can see we generated this video now for free. And you can see our 10 credit that they were giving to us. We are still there. Let's check down again. You can see over here, the credit is still there because they did not charge you anything for generating this using Grok AI.
Let's move to our smartphone to generate the image to video. But before we proceed, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe if this is your first time on this channel.
So now let's use our smartphone to generate the image to video of this same Grok AI. So over here now in Gemini Gen AI, you can see it is the same way. I just want to use the two platforms so that you'll be able to understand that both of them works the same way. Okay, so over here now we have chosen our Grok AI is already there. So here we have to select the image we want to generate. You click on the select here. Then you choose your image. They are telling you that to make sure that the image resolution that you are selecting have to be the same resolution that you have to use in the orientation session. So the two of them should match each other. That is this caution that appears here. So now that I have this one, you can now drop in your prompt here and say the man. I just said the man is riding his motorcycle with his son. So that's just the prompt that I drop in there. Remember not to change any of this resolution here. The next thing is that we hit generate with Grok. It's still asking you to verify that you are human. No problem. You verify that you are human, then your video will start generating. Now you can see on the smartphone your generation comes below, unlike the one in the desktop. Okay, so you see your video is being created with AI magic. So you wait, hold on a little, it will be out. All right, now our video is ready, but something happened that the video, we couldn't see it, so the system refreshed. So in case it happened to you like that, I intentionally leave it so that you use it to learn how to do it. You come over to this place, they have bell notification. Over to this bell notification. On it, you see all the video generation you have made. Every one of them, they are all here. So let's click on this top one here and see if that's our video. Yes, you can see that image that we picked that initial time. You can see it here. This is that image. So let's play it and see if it actually worked.
Wow, Dad! This is so fast!
Hold on tight, son.
Can we go faster?
All right, here we go.
Wow, Dad! This is so fast!
Hold on tight, son.
Can we go faster?
All right, here we go.
So you can see that. So you can see you can generate the images for free. You can see this image generation. If you scroll down here, you see where you have download. To download your image, to download the video that you generated. You can see the duration, use credit was 0. So they did not charge you for doing exactly this.
You have seen, we have been able to generate Grok Imagine AI using this free Gemini Gen AI. But you can't extend your video on free version. Only paid users can extend videos.
Let's check if the extension is working as well. So we hit on extend. So now on the extension, what I want the young guy to do is that I said the young hero turns to the man on the ground. His eyes turns gold with sparkling. He's transformed into a dragon. So let's extend this. Let's hit generate again and see. But unfortunately, the extension, they say the extension you need to buy Grok Mass or upgrade to pay as you go before you can generate extension. So if you want to extend your content, it has to be a paid version. It's not available for free version.
Let me know what you think about today's tutorial in the comment section. And please don't forget to share it. See you again.